Welcome back to Grilling with Reubs. Thanks for joining us. Today I'm firing up my new Santa Maria grill. The last grill I was using it for our tri-tip, which came out fantastic. You can check that video out. So today I'm cooking up Brazil's favorite cut of steak, the picanha. I'm going to cook it Brazilian style over the open fire. I'm going to cook it over hickory and some cherry chunks along with some lump charcoal, grilling it over high heat on skewers. And also going to cook up some vegetables, zucchini, squash, sweet peppers, and some corn as well. So stay tuned. We'll see how it comes out. So the wood that I'm using for our grill today is going to be Cowboy brand. We got the hickory, my trusted B&B lump charcoal, and then right here I've got cherry chunks. All right, so let's get our grill fired up. So again, I'm going to be using Bighorn Santa Maria style grill. It's got the lever on the side that allows you to raise and lower the grill top. Right here we've got the charcoal bed. We're going to put all our logs and charcoal, and this also has the V-grate, which channel the fat into this drip tray, which is really good with limiting the amount of flare-ups that you're going to have. So far, second cook on this, it's working out really good. Looking forward to grilling the picanha skewers and seeing how they come out. Wow, I got a huge chunk right there. We get everything piled up. Tumbleweeds, a natural fire starter from Royal Oak, deep into the middle. Getting a lot of sparks here. So here we have our almost 3-pound picanha. Choice cut, first time doing this. We're gonna cut some inch-sized steaks. I would say we're gonna get maybe about 4. So let's get this out of here. So here we are. It's been trimmed up pretty good. You got the fat cap on this side. I'm gonna leave that on there, not gonna touch anything there. This is the grain. So we're gonna cut the steaks then against that. Just a little bit of a dry with a paper towel just so it's easier to handle. We're just gonna start cutting it right here. Get a nice sharp knife. Nice fat cap on there. Take your time. A couple more. Looking good. Okay, now we got our skewers. These are about total length of 24 inches. Got these off of Amazon. I only have 2 skewers out here, so we're gonna start out with this smaller piece. That's it. All right, so we got one. So there's our first. There we are, there's our second one. These are 2 big steaks here. I'm gonna go with a little bit of oil, kosher salt, coarse pepper, and some granulated garlic. I don't wanna go too much, I'm gonna go too little. Cherry wood. Okay, we're just going to get a few chunks of that cherry, and then we're going to start putting on our hickory. I've got our picanha here that's been resting inside. I'm going to go straight over the flames. I'm going to bring this one. Oh yeah. But you're going to get a lot of fat off of this meat. Obviously, we got a really thick fat cap. That's flavor right there. Oh yeah. Away from the fire. Got the sear we wanted. Okay, we're just gonna bring these guys up top. And so here we have our mixed vegetables. Got some zucchini, I got corn, yellow squash, I've got the tri-colored peppers. Oil everything up. Some oil, salt and pepper. And then you can grill these, and then you can cut these into slices later on. Sweet bell peppers. Oh yeah, those vegetables get a good char. That's it. Here we have it. Oh man, that's nice. I'm actually going to take these off of here. That's cool on the skewer, but I am not an expert. Oh my goodness. Nice little piece. All right, I'm eating off camera. Oh my. All right, we've reached that time, my favorite part of the grill. I can hardly wait to try some of this picanha. Look at that. Again, pull apart. Oh, along with that fat. Oh man, I'm gonna have to start buying picanha. Oh, that's crazy. Truly is a tender piece of meat. And tasting that wood flavor, oh, it's even better. A little bit of salt on the top. Oh wow, that really is amazing. That's piece after piece. The family's probably dying to eat it. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed my first time cooking picanha. Absolutely amazing cut of meat. See why the Brazilians enjoy it over an open fryer. Hopefully I did it justice cooking it over the Santa Maria grill and didn't anger anybody like Guga. Raw fire is definitely the way to go on that. If you have a charcoal grill, that's perfectly fine. Definitely would recommend it. If you're new to my channel and enjoy my content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment. Definitely helps me out a lot. See what I'm doing right or wrong. It lets me know I'm going in the right direction. Take care. See you next time.